Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Tractor Supply Co. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your affiliate marketing journey with Tractor Supply Co., start by visiting their official website. Navigate to the bottom of the homepage to locate the affiliate program link. Click the link to access the sign-up information for their affiliate program. Review the details provided about commission structure and affiliate guidelines. Create an account by filling out the required information on the sign-up page. Once registered, you'll receive a unique affiliate ID. Log into your new affiliate account to access marketing materials. Explore the resources available, including banners, links, and product feeds. Choose the types of products that align with your niche for promotion. Generate affiliate links for the selected products. Incorporate these links into your website, blog, or social media platforms. Craft engaging content that highlights the benefits of the chosen products. Consider writing product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison articles to attract your audience. Utilize SEO strategies to enhance the visibility of your content. Share your content on social media to broaden your reach. Monitor your traffic and sales through the affiliate dashboard. Regularly analyze your performance to identify the most successful product promotions. Adjust your strategies based on what resonates with your audience. Stay updated with Tractor Supply Co. promotions to maximize your earnings. Engage with your audience through comments and queries related to the products. Test different content types to see what generates the most interest. Continue building relationships with your audience to establish trust. Consistency is key, so regularly update your content with new products and promotions. By following these steps, you will effectively deploy affiliate marketing with Tractor Supply Company. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.